Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Love with Food tasting unboxing. This is a snack subscription and I love it. I've been subscribed for years. There's a card in here, doesn't really say much except for you can review stuff and earn points to get free snacks. So let's take a look. Grenade Go Nuts, salted peanuts. Ooh, there's chocolate in it. All sorts of stuff. That looks really good. And it says Nuttin' Artificial. It's a protein nut bar. Haven't tried that, so that'll be exciting. Appleway's cheddar cheese. Simply wholesome whole wheat crispy crackers. Nut free. That also sounds really good. And then organic happy granola. This is sprouted maple quinoa. I have tried different ones from this brand, but not this flavor, so that was fun to have. This is a household favorite. The kids love these. This one is just a lightly salted green pea snack crisps. They come in all sorts of different flavors, but for whatever reason, they only send the samples of these I've ever gotten in any other boxes. But they have like a Caesar salad or a Caesar one, pepper. They have all different flavors. They're really good. Next we have Sunripe Fruit Strip. This is apple, strawberry, watermelon with other natural flavors. I have not tried this flavor before, but that sounds really good. I think I have had this. Dark chocolate, coconut almond, caveman, paleo bar. Gluten-free, nothing artificial, dairy-free, non-GMO. Yum. Then a turkey snack stick. Those are yummy. And Mighty Peanut Puffs. These are protein power. Made with real peanut butter, vegan, non-GMO. I love these boxes. I love food and trying all sorts of different snacks. Here we have Sport Tea, and this is a sample. The ultimate daily beverage with EC, ginseng, vitamin C, and electrolytes. Cool. Advertisement for Bright Cellars, if anybody needs that or wants that. A little promo code at the bottom of that. So that's what came in my tasting box. So that was really fun. The kids love these, and I like to have them for just quick snacks or like on the go. Perfect little sizes. You get to try out new snacks every month and tons of fun. So I will put all their information below if you want to sign up. I will also have 2 links below for the coldest water. You could purchase something. There's a promo code, or the other is a giveaway. If you want to try to win a awesome water bottle, I will have all that information in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.